Hey good people, today we are going to unbox a special package. Ordered this from Casio India. This package got delivered today and I can't wait to unbox it. As you guys can see, I'm very much excited about this watch. Not many people are talking about this watch. In a way, this watch is a hidden gem and very much underrated. Just wait and you guys can see what it is. The Casio MTP B145D 2A2VDF. This looks even more beautiful in up close. It comes with 2 years warranty also. This looks even more beautiful in up close, seriously man. This sunburst dial is stunning. There are no plastic in the bracelet. By the way, there are lots of color available including Tiffany blue color options. I have seen many people going with Tiffany blue options, but I think this blue color is the one for me. I like it even more than the Tiffany blue variant. I think Tiffany blue variant is not that versatile like this one. Tiffany blue one is not that formal looking either. This one looks perfectly in every situation. Obviously it's my assumption and everybody has different taste. As of now, Tiffany blue variant is still out of stock in Casio India website in case anybody wants to order it. This looks really beautiful. I awaited 2 months looking at the website and checking when will it be in stock, and here it is, finally holding it in my hands. This is so beautiful. By the way, it's a 35mm dial, not the 38mm. 38mm would have been a perfect fit for most of the wrist, but it's okay. 35mm is okay. PRX style bracelet would have been nice. I need to look for a bracelet that looks like PRX style bracelet later on. This is not a sapphire glass, this is just mineral glass. This comes with 50mm water resistant. The watch is stainless steel, but it doesn't feel like one. Okay, 82 gram mentioned in Casio website. Many YouTubers raised questions about this, but Casio Japan verified that they used stainless steel for this watch. Now comes to the negative of this watch. I paid 6,995 rupees for this watch, which is a bit much according to me. 4.5 to 5.5 would have been perfect. Normally at this price point, company doesn't pay much attention to bracelet, and this is not different here also. The bracelet quality is not up to the mark and it is understandable also. Making a good quality bracelet is not so easy at this price point. When you shake the watch, the bracelet rattles. I will look for an alternate bracelet from aftermarket later on. Let's see. So that's it. This is my first impression of Casio MTP B145D. Hope you guys like it. Thank you.